So this is what happens when you have a lot of time on your hands and you need to make a special board. This is my barred Surfperch board number 100. It's a 5'10" fish. Bottom here is all laser cut scales from flame maple, spruce, and bay laurel. About 850, 900 scales somewhere in there, glued together with a green tinted epoxy. That's what gives it the nice color. In the pattern of a barred Surfperch, which is a very local species of fish that gets caught a lot. Fins were also done out of bay laurel with an epoxy pour by that guy, Alex from Upcycled Skate Art. So we collaborated on this board, and the top deck is also a collaboration between the two. Flip it so you can get a good look. Color, let there be color. Ooh. So the center wedge is an epoxy pour with different pigments, basically made to resemble the surf where these fish live. These are all barred Surfperch, inlaid in bay laurel with different skateboard veneers pressed together by that guy. And then set into these different unique types of wood. We've got fiddleback redwood, flamed redwood. These both came from a property that was up in the mountains here. Kind of an interesting story. And these two strips are Doug fir from the Western Flyer, which is a boat John Steinbeck and Doc Ricketts took through the Sea of Cortez in 1940. Edge banded with some maple that were offcuts from a local furniture maker. So this is my board 100. Pretty stoked on it. Totally unique, something different than I've ever done before. So come check it out at Capitola Art and Wine.